Hi, this is Doug Hunt from Mortgages Unlimited,
And this is John Spike with JP Willman Realty.
and we're excited about our upcoming event.
We're calling it the Wicked Smart New Home Buyers Workshop. And it's a great opportunity for you as a new home buyer who might be considering purchasing a home within the next 30 days or maybe the next 5 years. We still want to invite you to come to this event, pick up some useful and important information, and help you start in the planning process.
And we've got some personal testimonies from our previous class that we'd like you to listen to.
Take a look.
But this workshop really helped us to expand our knowledge on the home buying process, and we learned a lot of interesting facts that we didn't know before.
Although I'm not looking to buy a house right now, I knew that I had a lot of assumptions I wanted to iron out. It's a pretty intimidating process, but Doug and John made it really easy.
It was a really great way to ask questions, no pressure, no strings attached. It was just come and have some questions and get some free beer.
I would recommend this workshop too, even if you're not looking to buy a house in the near future. I mean, maybe you're like 5 or 10 years out. I think it's kind of just a fun night to come hang out, bring some friends along with you, have a drink and some pizza, and learn about home ownership.
I would definitely recommend this to my friends. I have a lot of friends that are engaged and going to be getting married soon.
I mean, you'll get a free beer, you'll get some pizza maybe, but more importantly, you'll get some confidence. Confidence to set some goals that you're ready to meet and that you're prepared to meet, and it's pretty cool in the end.
John and Doug were super helpful in their class of being able to hand me tools, give me knowledge that was going to put me in the right spot going into the home buying process. I went to their class last spring, and from that point on, it was learning, a ton of learning, but that was a spark. That was something that got me started and rolling into the home buying process.
Hey, we're here live at the Wicked Wart, and as you just heard from Caleb, he had a great experience with our class, and we're hoping to see you there too.
Yeah, we're excited to cover a whole multitude of topics, the whole process from deciding is home ownership right for you, all the way through to closing. We cover all these points, hopefully answer all the questions you have, alleviate some of the fears that might be preventing you from moving forward, and hopefully have some fun along the way.